Hi all, this is Sarvajan here. Welcome to my networking channel. The purpose of this channel to cover from basic to advanced networking including the latest network technologies. Today the topic I am going to discuss about BPDU guard. Before that, let us understand what is port fast. Port fast is a feature which moves the port immediately into a forwarding mode which shortens the listening and learning stages. So what is BPDU? BPDU is a bridge protocol data unit which is exchanged every 2 seconds between the neighboring switches. BPDU contains bridge ID, which is a combination of MAC address and priority. Root switch or root bridge is selected by the switch with the lowest priority or the lowest MAC address. So what is BPDU guard? BPDU guard is a feature which is used to protect the layer 2 span tree protocol topology from a BPDU related attacks. So this can be either enabled in global configuration mode or a interface configuration mode. BPD guard is used to protect the integrity of the ports configured with the port fast enable. But mistakenly, if I am connecting a switch to the port fast enabled access port with the BPD guard enabled, the access port will be shut down in an error disable mode. So this is a working scenario where I connected switch A and switch B. Both are connected by means of trunk link. So this corresponding access port I have configured with port first and BPD guard enable. So this BPD guard is enabled with along with the access port to protect the integrity of the ports configured with the port first enable. So second scenario, I have connected switch A and switch B by means of a trunk link. So now the switch C is going to advertise a better BPDU to the port first enabled port. So when I'm going to advertise the switch C with a better BPDU to the port first enabled port, automatically the corresponding port will enter into a error disable state. So that is the purpose of BPDU guard. BPDU guard will always used to protect the integrity of the ports configured with the port first enabled port. So mistakenly anyone is connecting a switch to the port first enabled port, this port will enter into a error disable mode. Hi, today I wanted to show about BPD guard, how to configure in these switches. So there are two switches, both are core switches connected by means of a trunk link, and here is an host I have connected to the access port of this switch. So this access port, first I have configured the port first. So the port first is used to move the port immediately into the port forwarding enable mode. So see, here is a spanning tree port first which shortens the listening and the learning stages and moves the port immediately to forwarding mode. And the second I have configured spanning tree BPD guard enable, which is used to protect the integrity of the ports configured with the access port. So let us see what happens when I'm connecting a switch to this access port enable. So just I'm tracking the link here. I'm going to connect the link over here, and let us see what is going to happen. So as soon as I'm putting over the link to the switch started advertising BPDU. So this access port, this particular port with the port fast enable. So this is an access port, right? So with the port fast enable, whenever it receives a BPDU, it put that corresponding access port in an error disable mode. So we are getting the error block BPDU guard. So receive BPDU 1 faster than 2 with BPDU guard enabled. So that is the reason it is disabling this port, and it immediately puts that port in an error disabled mode, and immediately the port will get shut down. So that is a main benefit of BPD guard. BPD guard is used to protect the integrity of the ports configured with the port first. So as always, you know, port first is always enabled on the access port with the host connected. So mistakenly if I'm connecting a switch or an intruder is connecting a switch to this access port, automatically that port will get into an error disable mode and it will shut down the port. So if I want to recover, I can just connect over the link over here again, and I can just shut the interface. So go here, shut the interface. So thanks for watching. Please subscribe me for more.